What up, it's your man Flo Rida, and right now you're watching New York Music News. Favorite thing I get when I go to New York is definitely go shopping. I have a couple friends out here, so I hang out with them. I mean, the nightlife is definitely crazy, so I mean, New York is the city to party as well. New album is in stores right now, Wild Ones. Each record off the album, thanks to the fans, has been #1. We got the new single, Let It Roll. We just shot the video, definitely amazing. So you guys will get a chance to see that. I recently was in the studio recording for my next album because I always try to get it in when I have a break or so. You know, I'm a guy who just loves being in the studio, addicted to the studio. I actually recorded in the same studio where Michael Jackson did Thriller, so that was very interesting. Well, on my album, I got a chance to work with J-Lo, got a chance to work with LMFAO, to name a few, Lil Wayne. And it's just always interesting because these are people who've been in the game for a while, and you know, speaking of Lil Wayne and speaking of J-Lo, they inspired me. So I mean, it's just amazing to see my career, you know, definitely go to the next level. If I could turn around and say something to the people in New York, I'll say, I love you, New York.